Hi everyone, it's Daisy here with another video for you. So the day has finally come and my new iPhone has arrived. Cha-cha-cha-chan! Yes, as you can see, I got my iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange. I really love this color from the very moment I saw it in the presentation, and I swore that I wanted to have this one. It took me a while to get it because apparently it's been sold out everywhere, but finally it's here. And at the moment, I have my 15 Pro Max. And as I explained in the last video that I made, I decided to, go down the size. I am done with big phones. I had the 14 Pro Max and then I had the 15 Pro Max. But after a while, I realized that the size was actually a kind of a hindrance for me on my daily use. So I decided to go back to the original size. And of course, because the new iPhones, they have grown a little bit of an inch. So I thought that this would be the perfect solution for me. So without any further ado, let's unbox this beauty, shall we? So I am so excited. So let's pull this little thing here. So are you ready? Okay, here we go. And the next one, oh my gosh. I love this moment when I am unboxing my new iPhone. So here we go. Yes. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so gorgeous. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It is so beautiful. Here it is. So as you already seen in the box, you have only the cable, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and a couple of little pamphlets. We're not going to look into that because it's always the same thing. By the way, because I'm in Europe, so it comes with this SIM removal little thing here, because apparently in America they only have the eSIM phone, but this one here in Europe, we do have here, as you can see, the tray for the SIM card, even though I also use the eSIM. But I mean, it's always nice to have this one. Okay, it's actually quite light and oh my gosh, compared to the size of my 15 Pro Max, look at that. Oh. I am going to get used to this. I'm going to have to get used to this again because as you can see, it's quite a difference when you compare the Pro Max with a regular one. But just holding this phone, it's already amazing. So let's open this here. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this color. And of course, I've seen so many videos on YouTube saying that because of the unibody, the aluminum unibody, now it's very prone to scratches. Of course, I always wear a case with my phones. Every phone that I have, that I've always had a case, and I'm always switching cases because I just love them. And of course, sometimes I do like the color, even though I hardly will show the color unless I have a clear case, which is not the case in the moment. So I also have here some accessories. So I got the tempered glass from JE Tech. I always put a screen protector on my phone because you never know. So I got this one, which is very good. I also got this case that arrived before the phone. I already made a video where I show this case, but this is also from JE Tech, and it seems like a cute case, but this one is very different because it's double-sided. So you have this, it covers completely the camera the camera plateau, but it also comes with a built-in screen protector. So I don't know how this is going to look. So we're going to take this here. So this is a screen protector. I don't know how good that is, but anyway, it looks really cute. So you open it like this. Let's see. It's a little bit complicated to open, but this is okay. This is how it opens. Okay, as you can see here, you have two sides. So we're gonna put the phone inside. Here, it fits perfectly. There you go. And then you just come with the screen. Oh, first we need to take this out. Okay, how do I take this off? Okay, I'm just gonna do this now. Okay, I'm not going to remove this, but apparently there's a plastic film here protecting the screen. I'm not gonna take it out now. I just wanna put it on the phone just to see how it looks. And oh, okay, there you have it. Look at that. It's super nice. It's very well protected. Look at that. This is really cool. I kind of like it, but of course I still have to use it. And I also ordered another case from Surfy, this one, and it also arrived today together with the phone. So let's see how it looks. Oh, okay. So this is the Surfy case. Again, as you can see, it covers the whole camera plateau because, like I said, everybody's saying that this aluminum case is so prone to scratches that I really wanted to make sure that I protected everything. There are lots of cases that I love, brands that I love, but unfortunately they are just having this big cutout here where the aluminum is completely exposed. And I was very afraid of getting those ones, so this is why I decided to go for this one that covers the whole plateau. And this from Surfy, it's also covering everything. And I just love the color, and this is it. Let's see how it looks in the case. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. We put it on the case. Yes. Oh, wow. So this is the Surfy case, and the only part that is not covered is the camera controller, but it also has, oh, I love that. It has a connection here for your lanyard, because I usually like to use lanyards to make sure that my phone is protected. But yeah, this is the case and I just love it. So the size between the 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 Pro is quite, it's quite a difference, but I think I'm just gonna get used to it. But I am already loving the way it feels in the hand. So yes, so this was the video for today, the unboxing of my fabulous iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye! Hello!